Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You have admin access and a backup ready. Now start. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and confirm core is updated to reduce incompatibilities. Once done, open Appearance right arrow themes and click Add New. This begins the theme install flow. You want a clean environment so the new theme behaves predictably. Make sure plugins aren't running conflicting features. From Add New, you can browse featured, popular, or upload a theme. Zip file when ready. Search or filter themes by feature, layout, or subject to find a match, and click Install when you find one. If you have a commercial theme, use Upload Theme and select the Zip. WordPress handles unpacking. After installation, choose Live Preview to inspect menus, widgets, and responsive behavior. This avoids disrupting the live site. If you plan custom edits, create and activate a child theme first so updates won't overwrite your changes. Activate the theme, then immediately open Appearance right arrow Customize to set logo, colors, menus, and homepage settings. These are essential for a cohesive site. Install any recommended plugins and import demo content only if necessary to replicate the demo look. Once configured, test pages on desktop and mobile. If something goes wrong, blank screen, broken layout, or missing styles, enable WP Debug, switch temporarily to a default theme, and clear server and browser caches to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.